Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to track your orders on Temu. To track your orders on Temu, first tap open your Temu application on your device or visit the official website of Temu. Once you open your website or the application, make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom panel. Here, tap on your orders. Here, you can see all of your orders. You can also view your classified orders. Tap on processing to see your processing orders. Then tap on shipped to see your shipped orders. You can also tap on delivered to view your delivered orders. To view your returns order, tap on returns, and here you will be able to see returns order as well. And that is how you successfully track your orders on Temu. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.